Yo, what's up guys, it's Technology Hell back here, and today in this video we will learn how can you wall mount your monitor. So the most important question, why would you go for a wall mounted monitor? Reason number one, it makes your setup look good. Number two, in case you are a really tall person like me, a 6 feet 4 inch giant, then your monitor stand is probably too low for you, and using your computer in this condition will give you a neck hump. So mounting it on the wall is gonna be a really good solution. In my case, I have used this movement stand which allows me to pull my monitor towards myself in case I'm playing some games or in case I want to sit behind on my bed and watch some movies. It allows for a pull-out distance of 15 inches, which is pretty impressive. So this is the exact mounting system. The monitor cables go through this route and then from the casing they reach out to my PC cabinet. Today I'm gonna mount my secondary monitor towards the right in a portrait manner. So I'll be showing you in complete details how you are to go ahead if you want to wall mount your monitor as well. So for that we will require a wall mounting kit which would roughly cost you around 400 rupees. I have linked some of the good quality ones in the description. I have personally used two of them and they are working really great. This kit is a complete package which includes everything you need for this task. You firstly get this packet which includes some of the wall mounting brackets and screws for placing the mounting bracket on the wall. After that you have your stand unit, which is this big bulky thing, and then you have the product manual, so you can use it in case you are a beginner and you want to follow the instructions carefully. So coming up to the primary unit, it's really heavy and the weight makes you feel the quality of this product is gonna be insane. You get this rotating swivel part which will go on the wall. You have this big bracket. It's completely made out of solid metal, no plastic components used, which makes it superbly strong. So yes, the first step is gonna be taking out this wall unit. You'll have to simply use a wrencher tool and take the bolts off until you have this black part completely separated from the stand unit. Now get the wall bracket unit and mark the holes that you need to drill in order to put it on wall. And one thing you need to make sure is that this thing should be completely straight. If it's tilted, then your monitor will look a bit ugly when mounted. Holes marked, now simply get your drill and drill the holes in. Make sure they are deep enough so that the provided wall brackets fit inside. Now get your hands on the plastic brackets which came with the kit and simply plug them into the holes. Once they are in, hammer it so that it goes to the end of the wall, and then simply bring your metal bracket, place it in position and align the screws. Once done, simply get it tightened up and now your wall mount bracket is ready. So now you can just get over to your monitor mount arm and just the way you took off that bolt and got it off this bracket, do the reverse and get the arm installed onto the bracket. Now coming to the monitor, just make sure your monitor has got these 4 VESA mounting screw holes, otherwise it's gonna be a big deal. Then simply get your monitor mounting bracket right here and then simply align the holes. By default it should be around 100mm apart, and then simply get it locked in with the screws. Now we are almost done. The part for the wall installing the arm mount is complete and installing the VESA mount on the monitor is also done. So simply get your monitor up, align the screw holes and get it plugged in. That's it. Once you have tightened up the screws, your monitor wall mounting process is complete. So here we are completed with our wall mounting process. The installation of the wall mount was really simple, and trust me, if you're a beginner, you just need to put in some time and you'll get it done perfect. Now coming to wiring for the monitor, you basically need to bring in 2 cables, the display and the power. So simply plug them in and then route them through the parts of this arm. And from the arm I have installed this casing on my wall, so I'll put my cables inside the casing so that they won't be visible and would give a complete clean look to my setup. And with that, the process is complete. Since it's movable, so I can assign and align it as per the position of my primary monitor so that both of them sit aligned. So that's all for this video. If you're also trying to wall mount your monitor, simply go to the link in description and buy the wall mounting kit. And after that, you can simply follow the steps I have shown in the video and get your monitor wall mounted. Thanks for watching.